bonds are back. You have some real yields now, some volatility in the market right now. So it provides a lot of opportunity for active fixed income managers to outperform their benchmark. So active is one trend that we're seeing.
Bill, it's great to have you here at the NYSE studio at ETF Exchange.
Great, thanks for having me.
So Bill, what opportunities or market trends are you seeing currently?
Yeah, so there's a couple of main trends that we are seeing right now. One is active ETFs. So if you look in 2024, about a quarter of all flows in ETFs were into actively managed ETFs. So almost 300 billion. And also if you look at the launches, 80% of launches were active ETFs. This trend has continued into 2025 with a third of flows going into active ETFs. And that's $100 billion year to date. We're only a couple months into the year. And 90% of launches are active ETFs. And I think this plays well, and the opportunity is really with active fixed income. We've been out there saying, Vanguard's been out there saying that bonds are back. You have some real yields now, some volatility in the market right now. So it provides a lot of opportunity for active fixed income managers to outperform their benchmark. So active is one trend that we're seeing. The next one is costs matter. If you look at cash flows last year, and it was a record year for cash flows in the ETFs, like 1.1 trillion in the US, 1.5 trillion globally, but 58% of those flows went into ETFs with an expense ratio of 10 basis points or less. And in Vanguard, we've been championing low costs for decades. And it takes me back to a quote from our founder, Jack Bogle, that in investing, you get exactly what you don't pay for.
Now, Bill, are there any ETFs that you would like investors to consider?
Absolutely. Sticking with active, low cost, active fixed income, there are two products I'd like to highlight today. One is our core bond fund, ticker VCRB. That gives you broad exposure to US investment grade. We launched this in 2023. It's priced at 10 basis points. The next one is our Core Plus bond fund, also launched in 2023. Gives you the same exposure to US investment grade, but with a little bit additional flexibility to invest in below investment grade bonds. And this is priced at 20 basis points. And at 20 basis points, there's a significant cost advantage here. If you look at that product category, the next cheapest ETF in that product category is priced at 34. So with VPLS, it's like starting a football game up 14 points. So yes, you're more likely to win, but you also have the flexibility to manage the game differently and avoid taking unnecessary risks.
And finally, where should investors go to learn more about your ETFs and also your market views?
Absolutely. So I would point everyone to a Vanguard website. On there, you can find information on all of our 90 US listed ETFs. Additionally, we have thought leadership that we publish out there and a bunch of educational material on ETFs and just investing in general.
Bill, thank you for joining me today.
Of course. Thanks for having me.